There's no place like home, and sometimes finding the right place to call home means having that perfect home built for you. At Encompass Credit Union, we are pleased to offer residential construction mortgages as an option for our members. The process can be very complicated, and so in this video, we'll outline some of the main steps to help give you an idea of what is involved. Of course, your Encompass Credit Union lender will outline the process and answer any questions you may have along the way. The first step is to pick a plan. Choose a home plan that you want for your land and purchase blueprints. Determine square footage and make decisions that will affect the final cost. The second step is to visit Encompass Credit Union. Your lender will walk you through the process and help you to streamline it wherever possible. They will help you with decisions you need to make and work with you to determine the next step. They'll also calculate the maximum mortgage that you can qualify for and let you know what the approximate mortgage costs will be. The third step is to price out the property. If you have funds from your own resources, you can purchase the land on which the home is to be built in advance of the construction mortgage being written, and it can then be considered part of your equity. However, we do not recommend that you purchase your lot prior to a mortgage being approved. The fourth step is to obtain a contractor's quote and prepare a cost-to-complete form. When you get a contractor's quote, be sure your contractor is insured by the Alberta New Home Warranty. The cost-to-complete form will help you to determine how much money you will need to build your home. Remember to include GST. The form will cover everything from installing the services, if your land requires that, to the interior and exterior finishes, the roof system, flooring, fixtures, and even landscaping. Your Encompass Credit Union lender can provide you with a cost-to-complete form if you need one. The fifth step is to visit your Encompass Credit Union lender a second time. Once you have provided your lender with the information they requested at your first meeting, they can begin to put an application together. Now that you have established what your new home will cost you and what the finished value of the home will be, your lender can use that information to structure a construction mortgage that will suit your needs. We have financing options available through Genworth Financial, CMHC, and conventional financing. Please be aware that only after approval has been provided can confirmation of financing be provided to your builder or contractor. The sixth step is to obtain an appraised value. To do this, take your quote with the plan or blueprints to a certified appraiser and request a blueprint appraisal. You will be required to pay the fee for the appraisal, and when you choose your appraiser, be sure that the same appraiser will be willing and able to come out to do progress inspections during your building project. You will need to be prepared to provide the appraisal firm with specific information, including your contractor's quotes and material specs in order for them to determine a value. The seventh step is registering your mortgage. Your mortgage must be registered with land titles by your lawyer, and these costs are not included in your mortgage amount. No funds can be advanced from the mortgage proceeds before the mortgage has been registered with land titles. The eighth step is advancing your mortgage. Your signed contract with your builder or contractor will outline how much they will be looking for at particular stages. Encompass Credit Union will advance funds on a cost-to-complete basis, usually in 5 advances. They are loosely termed as basement backfill, lockup, drywall, finish, and holdback funds released. Your own funds must be fully used first, and then we will begin to advance the mortgage funds. The appraiser who completed your blueprint appraisal must go out and inspect the work. We will be provided with a progress inspection, and we will advance funds based on the percentage of work completed, minus a 10% holdback amount. For example, if the home is 61% complete, we would advance funds to reflect that. The 10% holdback amount will be released in one lump sum 45 days after the final inspection of the completed home. This is just a basic overview of the construction mortgage process. Your Encompass Credit Union lender will be there to help you through the entire process and will be available to answer any other questions you may have.